Are you kissing yourself?
Is that a kiss? I love myself. I need a kiss. I'm so beautiful. Everybody should want to kiss me. I think I'll kiss myself.
Oh yeah, watch it.
What are you doing?
It really does look like two babies kissing on you.
Mom, are you taping me?
You look pretty in your dress.
You're so pretty. You're so pretty. Come back here. Quit kissing yourself.
It's you in the mirror.
So no wonder it's so beautiful. Are you too tall for your dress?
Yes. Show the dress, Daddy. This is the size that's supposed to fit her, but it's more like a mini skirt. Her bloomers stick out.
Whoa.
Yeah, she wants you now, Daddy. Say bye-bye. Audrey, wave bye-bye.
Audrey, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.